Okay, good. Good evening. Good afternoon. Today's topic is I'll discuss about. Have you seen some pictures here? What is the name? This picture name?
Yes, indeed.
Very bad networking. Very bad. This one is apron. This one is goggles. Goggles. This one is goggles. This is yes, goggles. This one is hand gloves. Hand gloves. This is his mask. Have you seen? What is the name? This one. First one name.
Yes, sir.
Apron.
Apron.
The apron will be keep need too long and shapes will be up to your wrist. Its color will be white. And you will use hand gloves, and safety goggles on your eyes, hand gloves on your hand. And some safety measures will be given in the following pictures. Okay, safety measures. When do we use this safety measure? We use this safety measure in the where? In the chemistry lab. Have you seen here chemistry lab? No, there's no picture in this book. I'll not. So chemistry labs, we should take some safety measures during working in the chemistry lab. We see this in the some substance. I'm showing this internet. Wait, this is today's internet is very slow. Ethanol. I will check ethanol. I was trying to take these pictures ethanol. দত্তরে ওইটা রেকর্ড করে না কেন? এটা কি দেখা যায়নি? যা এখান থেকে। তোমরা তো আমার মনে ভালো করে ছিল না। এটা কি ইথানল? দেখছো না? দেখার আগে ইয়ে বন্ধ হয়ে গেছে। আগে দেখছো মানে ক্লাস 8 থাকতে
দেখছি স্যার।
দেখছো? আমি তো দেখি না।
ইয়েস স্যার।
আমি দেখছি তবে চিনতাম না।
স্যার আপনি শাওন স্যারকে চিনেন?
শাওন স্যার কোনটা? কোন শাওন?
চলে গেছে স্যার।
ও শাওন পাল শুভ। হুম, র্যাপটার ব্যাংকার।
আপনি তো স্যার ওনার সাথেই সম্ভবত আসছিল।
হুম, he has become manager in a bank, Janata Bank. Okay, so look at this
Yes.
picture, and this is the safety measure. This sign is look this sign. This is the ethanol. This sign is have you seen this one? This
Flammable substance.
flammable. This hazard symbol is hazard symbol. This is the hazard symbol. This is flammable. Flammable substance. This one is flammable substance. Keep out of reach of children. Not only children. You should store, handle with care. Store in cool, dry place. Don't get on skin or clothing. Don't get in eyes. Don't swallow. Don't breathe fumes. তো অনেক প্রিকশন দেখছেন, এগুলো কেমিক্যালসের মধ্যে অনেকগুলো প্রিকশনস মানতে হয়। এটা সাইনটার নাম ছিল, আমরা দেখছি যে সাইনটা দেখছি এটার নাম হয়েছিল ফ্লেমেবলস প্রিকশনস। আজকে ক্লাসটা আমি নিতে অনেক আগে, কিন্তু ইন্টারনেট স্লোর কারণে নিতে পারছি না। এখনো কি হবে জানি না। পার্সেন্টেজ তো ফ্লেমেবল সাবস্টেন্স। এগুলো আগে থেকে রেডি করা উচিত ছিল। হয়েছে। আচ্ছা, তো প্রথমে আমি একটা সাইন দেখেছিলাম, এটার নাম কি ছিল? ফ্লেমেবল। প্রথমে হাউ টু draw hazardous symbols. At first you draw this like this way you draw. I have seen your drawing in this class. The third assignment I have checked, but your drawing is not up to mark. Not excellent. At first you like this shape you draw, this diamond shape you draw. Then flammable, then flammable. Do this one this way, flammable substance. This flammable. You can this in the another this way. So done, flammable substance done. Then you at the bottom you write this. Its name is flammable. Writing very smaller size, 20. Flammable. Okay, then escape title. This is the flammable, and you can draw this way. And another symbols. This is explosive substance, explosive symbol. At first which things you draw? At first you will draw this way, a diamond. You will shape this diamond. You shape diamond. At first like then you take as chemicals here, like, and these chemicals, what is this chemicals this way explosion occur in explosion. Not, it is not easier here with writing. এখানে এদিকে কিছু ভেঙে গেছে, এদিকে এখান থেকে কিছু চলে গেছে, ওইদিকে কিছু ভেঙে গেছে কি, ওইদিকে কিছু গেছে কি, ওইদিকে কিছু এরকম গেছে কি। এখানে একটু 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 দিবাই ওরকম দিয়া। ওটার নাম হচ্ছে কি এক্সপ্লোসিভ। এটার নাম কি এক্সপ্লোসিভ, ওইরকম দিতে হবে। এটার নাম হচ্ছে এক্সপ্লোসিভ সাবস্টেন্স। So today's topics is have you seen maybe risks and extent of risks and precautions. Risks, you know, risk, possibility of accident, like if you take this if you gas enter in a tire so much it may blast. This is the risk. If you take chemicals it may damage your skins like acid. This is the risk. Okay, extent of risk means how much risk, range of risk. Okay, if you take weak acid, lower risk. Strong acid like hydrochloric acid, higher risk. Okay, this is the extent of risk. And precautions means safety measures. What will you take during the lab? Safety measures: when you enter the chemistry lab, you should open all windows doors, because there is smells, the gas smells. You take this breathing, it will be hazardous. Or any gas burners, if gas opens, gas will enters, will remain in the room, and if I catch fire, it will be explosive and gas will catch fire quickly. So for this reason we will open windows at first when we enter chemistry lab. Then we will not take any chemicals. We don't touch any chemicals without teachers permissions. Don't smells and don't smells any don't or takes odors or smell any chemicals. and some, and don't touch any chemicals, and we take apparatus, like some apparatus is remain broken apparatus, and some there are some fraction, we can find some apparatus remains fractions. This apparatus will not touch. Okay, so this is the precautions. Precaution, risks, and extent of risks. So explosive substance, we need to be very careful about this substance. We must keep in mind that frictions and fire may cause serious explosion from this, which will be harmful for our body as well as laboratory. We need extreme caution in handling this. TNT, trinitrotoluene, organic peroxide, and nitroglycerin, etc. are such kind of substances. Then flammable substances is catch fire easily. Alcohol, ether, etc. And methane, this gas we use house at our houses, natural gases. These are also flammable. Flammable substance, this may catch fire quickly. Therefore, we need to keep them away from fire or heat. These are the precautions, and this is example. Then toxic substance, like poisonous. These are benzene, chlorobenzene, methanol, etc. They cause death. If you come in touch with them or inhale them, may cause harm to our body. Benzene, chlorobenzene, methanol, etc. are such substance. We must wear apron, hand gloves, safety goggles when handling them. Then irritant substance, like this cement, like irritant, not damage skill, but you will face some irritation when you touch this substance, like cement, dust, light acid base, weak acid base, nitrous oxide, etc. cause irritation on skin, eyes, and breathing system. We must wear aprons, hand gloves, safety goggles when handling them. Then hazardous substance, it is cause death also. Like these are carcinogenic substance which cause cancer. These are carcinogenic substance, like benzene, toluene, gyrene. These are carcinogenic substance. So direct contact on skin or inhalation of substance may cause short or long term harm to our health. They may affect our breathing system or even cause disease like cancer. Benzene, toluene, gyrene are such substance. We must wear aprons. Okay, this is a safety measure. We must wear aprons, hand gloves, and safety goggles when handling them. This sign is called trefoil, is known as trefoil. This substance sign trefoil. At first it was used in the America, USA in 1946. This sign. This substance is used in the where radiation occur, when radioactive substance like uranium, plutonium. In this substance we use radioactive symbol. This symbol is another name is trefoil. Do you know? Are you watching my skin? Trefoil. What is the name? Another name. This one name is. This name is another name is trefoil.
Radioactive.
Okay, radioactive substance. Another name is trefoil. TRFOFOIL. Trefoil. This another name is trefoil. TRE. Okay. So this one I should use. Trefoil. Trefoil. Okay. At first this one is used in USA, United States of America, in 1946. Okay, this first is in America. So this symbol is another name is trefoil. It was used at first in USA, that means the United States of America, and in 1946. Okay, this substance emit radiation alpha beta gamma ray automatically. This substance emit harmful rays which may cause disease like cancer and disable somebody. Patient becomes cripples. We need to be extremely cautious in handling this. Uranium, radium, etc. are of this kind. Now this the symbol, hazard symbol is named dangerous for environment. Dangerous for the environment. It is harmful for the environment like plants, fish, aquatic lives. This substance with the sign are dangerous for the environment, meaning the harm with animals and plants. They require caution when in use. Again, they have to be gathered in a place after use. They have to be recycled as much as possible. That way, they cannot be do much harm to the environment. Okay, I use some like you will see I am using when I use some chemicals like sodium hydroxide. When I place these chemicals in a drain or in a basin, I use a lot of waters. Someone may can say I am doing waste water, but I do these things for these reasons. I want to dilute the solution. If I say drain a concentrate chemical I throw in the drain, or it may cause this water will flow to the canal and even ponds, even rivers goes. Then it causes the it will be harmful for the aquatic life. So for this reasons I dilute throwing lots of water. And it is symbol is dangerous for environment. Symbol is drawing is at first what will do, at first you will draw a, how will you draw these symbols? At first you draw a shape of diamond shape at first. That's the right. Okay, this diamond shape you draw again. Diamond shape you draw. Then at first here you'll draw a plant and this plant this plant is all leaves is flowing down and plant is ultimately going to dead. Cut plant, and here is some water here, water. Fish is floating after going to death in the water. This is the symbol. This symbol is the environmental hazard symbols. Okay, these symbols dangerous for environments. And final substance is corrosives. Corrosive, it can cause damage skin, even damage metals like strong acid, strong base. Okay, hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, sodium hydroxide, these are corrosive substance. This cause injury to body in contact. Inhalation of this such substance may cause injury inside the body. Hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, etc. example of this kind. Okay, this is the topics today I have already covered. Have you understood? Okay. Hello student, are you listening me? Okay. Participants, okay Rashid. Attendance এগুলো মানে attendance মাত্র কটা বান্দা এই ডে আজকে ডেট কত?
5 February.
1 February 01. ওকে, তোমাদের অ্যাটেন্ডেন্স রাখা হয়ে গেছে। তো ক্লাস শেষ বলতে গেলে বলো, নাও আই এভরিওয়ান শুড আনমিউট অ্যান্ড আস্ক দিস কোয়েশনস। Give an example of flammable substance. Give an-
Ethanol.
হ্যাঁ, ethanol, yes, good,
Ethanol.
excellent. সজীব, হ্যাঁ, done well. Then give an when did first trefoil or radioactive substance was symbol was used at first and where?
USA 1946.
Where?
USA.
Good, excellent. USA.
USA.
Say one toxic substance name.
Methanol.
Shajib today done. Methanol. 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 And say one explosive substance name. Explosive substance name.
TNT.
TNT. TNT. 246 98229.